guys, today I'm going to put some beads in some of my slimes. Today I only have 2 slimes. It's my first video, so please subscribe and have a big like. Comment down below to see which slime is better.
First slime, and we're going to do this.
So right now, this one is really clicky. It can't make any bubbles. Watch this.
Oh, confetti cake.
It doesn't even stretch, so it can't make any bubbles. But it stretches sort of. Not look stretched, and it just comes apart. And you have to squeeze like this so hard. If you squeeze like that, it comes together. But watch this. Squeeze it, it comes apart. So I'm gonna add some beads into this first.
And it's like a vanilla color, like a vanilla cake batter color.
Here we go.
I'm calling it confetti cake. It's like
right now I'm in my house. And also, welcome to Leon Lions. That's my YouTube channel.
That's Unikitty. The one with the horn. Unikitty. Okay, now this is her slime. She's calling
subscribe to my sister's channel.
I like that slime a lot. Do you like it? Yes. I don't know. I haven't named it yet. I haven't even started it yet.
My sister hasn't started one, but she's gonna have one.
Mare, no, that was my last one. I can't go back onto my last one because my phone is broken. My old phone was broken. But can you still watch it?
When she gets one, it'll probably have Mare Bear on it.
Should I?
Probably, maybe, but probably.
What should mine be called? It's gonna be called
So,
the Bear Squad.
it's gonna be really crunchy. And let's do this. So right now it's finished, and look at this. It is really crunchy.
I like that.
It's really crunchy with all these beads that are falling out. It still can't make any bubbles, and it's still the same, except it's really crunchy. Listen to this. You hear all those bubbles? And it's still really clicky.
I really like them.
It's kind of hard though. So I'm going to put this one away and get my other slime.
I'm not keeping big pieces. I'm just keeping tiny pieces. Like I'll keep one bunch. I'll keep a little bit. Just mix them all together. Oh no.
Get all that air out of that one. So right now, this is my other slime. It's orange. And I'm going to be adding green beads. The other one was whitish sparkly ones. Wait, I can't find my green beads. How? This is a small patch because I already added a bunch of beads in here, but I'm adding more.
Ooh, it's like strawberry.
So,
More like vanilla swirl and strawberry.
they're kind of like for Mardi Gras and stuff. So, okay, I forgot to show this one off. So, it's really stretchy, but it's kind of like the last one. It doesn't go together unless you like do this, and it looks together. It's really clicky. It has a lot of bubbles when you squeeze it. You can literally hear it.
You want a slime?
It smells really good. So does the other one, and it cannot make bubbles like the other one too.
Strawberry cake.
And it's really crunchy. So, Daisy's giving me a slime so I can show that one off too.
Don't put this one on the thing because it's kind of sticky. It's like a smoothie.
I didn't use all my white beads. And Daisy, she's my friend. She just gave me a whitish gold slime. So, I'm going to add more beads, and it already had beads. Check out. My sister's making a video.
It's like a pinkish.
Can I have it?
No,
It's like
I'm not having it.
pink and I really like
Check out my slime. That's Daisy. And my sister,
I'm his
She was-
sister's best friend.
yeah. I
Have you in
can't
your
find my
video?
white beads.
Have you in your video?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Just don't make too much noise. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, and she can't get very messy.
My mom would kill me.
What?
Where'd those white beads go? Can't find my white beads, so I gotta go get some more.
You gotta be kidding me. Just go get. There's one.
So, this video has only been 5 minutes. So this is the slime. It's really sticky for me.
This was 16
Oh, no, I don't want that.
minutes.
Can I have it? Yeah, sure.
Can you go get one?
Wait, what?
Can you go get that for me?
The bag?
A bag for me.
Where do you keep bags? You know what? You go get the bag. I'm gonna entertain you.
Okay.
Marijuana.
I'm back, and this time I have a bag so for when I'm done. So I'm just gonna add the whole bead in at the same time. And it's actually really crunchy, feels weird, and I like it. It's really sparkly, and as you can see, it's golden white. I really like it. So it's really stretchy. I don't think it's gonna make bubbles because it's really small. And it puts back together, unlike the other slime, so it's my favorite slime. It's really sticky too. So I'm gonna end the video here after I put this in.
Her papa saved a baby raccoon.
I can't get it in the
He
bag.
actually is helping it back to life. Well, it wasn't dead, but like it was injured.
Here you go.
So yeah.
So that was my slime video. Goodbye. Also, comment which one was better. The first one, which is the white one. The second one, which was the orange one. And the third one, which was my favorite, the gold one. I would comment gold. Goodbye.